Matters say they're confused by your announcement yesterday that you're going to meet, but in a different,
are you talking
different way than what they had been calling for?
Well, I think that where we've ended up is entirely consistent with where I've been all the way along, which is I made a number of repeated invitations to them to come to a private meeting, which would be for the purposes of discussing how we can move forward together, not just with them, but I think certainly the obligation I have, and I think the Premier is the same, is that we want to consult a broad number of people, because these are very complicated issues that affect a large number of people, as to how we can eradicate racism where it exists and allow people to have better opportunity to move forward. And they had said that they didn't want to come to that kind of a meeting. So what I'm doing is having one on Saturday that involves a number of leaders from the community to discuss how we can plan a broader public event, which I indicated to them yesterday, and they responded by saying they'd got the message that I hope they'd be included in that one, and I hope they would come to this broader public meeting that involves a lot of different groups, because I certainly feel it's my obligation to make sure that that opportunity to have input on these issues, to give advice, to help us find solutions, rests with a very broad segment of the community, including people who aren't, who are not black, for example, who are, I think there's an obligation on all of us to sort of solve these problems together. And so it's in that spirit that we're planning for a public event. I indicated they would be included, and that the planning for that will begin on Saturday by getting input on, when it should happen, where it should happen, how it should happen, who it should happen with, what the agenda should be, and all these kinds of things that help you to sort of decide, and I think there are a much broader series of issues that are on the agenda beyond, perhaps the one or two that have been focused on.